Hello guys, BlenderDefender here with another quick tip tutorial, and before I start it and show you a really helpful shortcut that you definitely have to remember, I just want to announce that I'm now finished uploading my product add-on teasers trailer videos, and I'm now returning to regular schedule. There are still 2 or 3 add-ons left that I have to make a video on, but they aren't developed enough yet to make a video on it. There'll be so many changes, so it's just too early to make a video.
BlenderDefender.
The video is about a really helpful shortcut for navigating cameras to the current point of view. Like if I want to have an epic shot of that Pixar lamp from this perspective here, how do I transfer the camera to it? Well, first of all, I need a camera, and I edit, where is it? Here. And for this trick to work, for this method to work, it's important that the camera is active, and the shortcut, let me turn on screencast keys. Something messed up. View, not shortcut. Well, I'll start shortcut viewer today. It's there instead of there. I navigate to where I want the camera to be, and then I press Control Alt and numpad 0, and the active camera snaps to my view. And I can adjust that with GZZ along the local Z axis. Z or Z, I don't know. I'm not native English speaker. And if I want to add another camera to another point of view, I have to add a camera with Control 0, make it active. Sorry, Control numpad 0, and then navigate to the point where I want it to be, like here. Control Alt numpad 0 makes it snap to my view. I use that shortcut very often, so I think it is definitely worth making a video about. If you learned something new and you think this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and always remember, a river cuts its way through stone not because it's so strong, but because it persistently pursues its destination.